gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Let me say, there ain't no wine and it ain't Wednesday, okay? Girl, y'all gonna get the real laid back house clothes bitch, okay? In here I have some tea. This tea is it's just lemon water, because also Super Bowl is this weekend here in Atlanta. I'm gonna be drinking this weekend, so just gotta stay healthy, stay hydrated. So I wanted to basically tell y'all like what were the essential items for me as a baby wig wearer to now I feel like I'm intermediate. I'm not like quite professional, because sometimes, girl, you can still see the lace. I wanted to show y'all just basically the items that have gotten me started on my wig journey to the place I am now. So let's just get into the must-have wig items of 2018, 19. I'm gonna call it something like that. I'll figure it out. I have a watch giveaway going on right now. I've been doing a terrible job of promoting it. This timepiece right here is from JORD. They're doing a giveaway. I will leave the link down below, but I only have one person entered into the giveaway, so your chances are really high if you go ahead and get in the giveaway now. First, we're going to start off with just prepping your wig. Once you get it, say you get this wig, honey, and you bought it from recommendation of one of the YouTubers or something like that. When you put it on your head out the box, it's not going to look like that. We just need you to learn how to customize it a little bit. And if there's a couple of things that you need, one of them, and this is my number one thing, is for me was the wig grip. The wig grip keeps the wig on my head. I don't have to glue her down every day. She keeps the wig in place. I have her on right now, so I can't even show you. I have worked out in it. I swam in it, and I did a dirty wine in it. Okay, honey? I'll go ahead and leave links to those videos down below. I've had one wig grip for this whole entire year. One wig grip, and she's been holding on strong. Secondly, so I never had to purchase these wig caps, but I think I found some on Amazon that I'll go ahead and link down below. But using a wig cap that is close to your skin tone is so important. So you can buy them off of Amazon in big packs, or you can just go to your local beauty supply store, but there's no guarantee that they're gonna have your wig cap, especially for our chocolate girls. Get you a wig cap that's going to be your skin tone, and that'll make your lace look more seamless. Most wigs don't come with bleach knots. They just don't, because they can't over bleach them, because it's just gonna make the hair fall out. They'd much rather let you have the hair fall out. When it comes to bleaching knots, my favorite item is the Kaleido Colors for dark hair only powder bleach. This comes as a blue tint, which takes down that brassy color already, so you don't have to tone it. You can, if you want to, tone it to take that brassiness out, but this kind of is like a one-stop shop. You get some of this, honey, and then you mix it with, I use 30 volume developer. This is extra lift, Clairol Professional Pure White. Now you can get this in like separate little baby packs, but I have a big one because I'm bleaching knots at least once a week. So this combination, when I'm bleaching my knots, I leave it on for about 20 minutes, then I'll check it, and the most I'll go up to is 30 minutes when I'm leaving this on if the knots are extremely difficult to bleach. So I would just use this combo, and it's always worked for me. It is also important just to have one of these bowls, honey. This bowl is $1.99. I think this came with it. Get you one of these if you're just going to be bleaching knots. A lot of people like use popsicle sticks when they're applying their bleach onto their knots, and I feel like that makes it easier, so you're not pressing it into the lace and having it bleed through. This is necessary. For tinting our lace, I saw that Kellen Derrick recommended this, and this is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. I use this just to lightly tint my lace. Now, I think this one was just a little bit too dark, or I'm too heavy-handed with this. You have to be very careful because it has a concentrated nozzle there, so when you spray it, you have to spray far away. And what you do is you spray it onto the lace to tint it and make it closer to your skin tone. You also can use this for bleeders. So a bleeder is actually when your bleach, when you're bleaching the knots, it bleeds through the lace and gets onto the hair, and your roots are blonde. You can also get the hair color of your choice and use the spray or the actual pin to like cover up, because sometimes you can't help it if it bleeds. Like, you just can't help it. And this is only, I think it's like $9 or something like that. And I've been using this for about a month, but I do wigs, like I said, once a week. So the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer too, just to like conceal a part or conceal like your lace or whatever. It has like this really precise tip. That's what she said. Get you one of these. So important. Okay, so these are inexpensive shears. These are Annie shears. If you're cutting your lace, you want a more precise scissor. If you're using these, girl, you're going to cut everywhere and it's going to be a mess. You're going to cut your hair, you're going to cut everything. Get them from Sally's. I'll leave a link for these down below as well. Now let's get into styling our wigs. I'm very simple when it comes to styling my wigs. As far as shampoo, I haven't found a shampoo that I really love for my wigs. This is just regular schmegular, degular baking soda, honey. When my sister has been doing this, and it has kept her wigs super soft. She would put some baking soda in some lukewarm water and put her wig in it, and it takes all the product off without making it really harsh. But you use just like 1 tablespoon and you wish the hair around in there, and it really takes all the product off but still leaves it very soft. And you can follow up with a conditioner. Now the conditioner that I have always used and really haven't used anything different is the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner. Now I'm not trying to spend a lot of money, honey. Okay, so I just will use this and it moisturizes the hair. Now sometimes I think it actually does dry the hair out because there's like alcohol and stuff in this one. I used it on this wig and it is so, the hair is super soft. As long as I don't use too much and leave too much product on it afterwards, it really does leave it super soft. For styling, I have fallen in love with the, especially for curly hair, the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Curl Activator Cream, and also the Coil Comb Detangler, which I just lost it. I don't even know where the Coil Comb Detangler is, but it comes in a bottle similar to this one. It looks just like this, and you can get it from Target, your local beauty supply store, or online on Amazon. I'll leave a link for it down below. But these products, again, are affordable because your girl is cheap. Try not to use this as much. If I do, I use it in a spray bottle with some water. When I use the Coil Comb Detangler, I'll just spray it in and then run like a detangling brush through the hair or something like that. Works like a dream. Speaking of, make sure you get yourself just a regular spray bottle. You can get this from anywhere, girl. You can get it from Target, beauty supply store, whatever. Get your spray bottle because you're going to have to spray your hair down. So that's really important. This mousse right here is so great on my natural hair as well as like hair like this. It is the Apogee Serious Care and Protection Style and Wrap Mousse. I use this mousse like to, if I wanted to like slick down the sides of my hair or slick it up in this area or define the curls at the end of my hair. I use this mousse. This stuff is not sticky. It is long lasting and it does have shine to it. I love this stuff, and it was only, it's like $6.50 or something like that from your local beauty supply store, but I'll leave a link for this below. So this brush is the Evolve. Is it like a detangling brush? It's like the Denman brush, but it was only like, I think this is $3 or $4, and I think the Denman is much more expensive than that. But if you have curly hair or kinky curly hair, running this brush through it, oh my god, it creates these curls that are like so soft and like uniform. It detangles very well, but I love this brush. This razor comb, it helps you to cut hair without it being so harsh. These are from the beauty supply store, is only like $1 or something like that. So if you want to layer your hair, cut baby hairs or something like that, this is a good tool. To make your wig, you're definitely going to need a wig cap. I use the Make Your Own Wig Q-Fit Mesh Dome Style wig cap. The reason why I like the mesh is because it's a little bit more breathable, and secondly, it's easier to puncture with the needle. Love it. Now I do feel like these are a little bit small because I know the other dome style caps, they have like different sizes, but this one, from what I found, only comes in one size. But I'll just leave a link down below. Hopefully I can find different sizes of these, but I love this cap. Another thing you're gonna need is a wig head. Now these wig heads are like $5. Now this one is small, so it is the size of my head. So if you have a bigger head, you have to either put tape on it to make it like the size of your head, or try and buy like one of the larger ones. And this one's like a mess. They got makeup and stuff all over it, but girl, I don't care. You also should get what we call T-pins. And these you can get from Walmart or anywhere. These are like just little pins that you just basically press down into the styrofoam head or whatever wig that head that you have. And you can use it to hold your closures in place while you sew down, or your tracks in place while you sew it down. Of course, you're going to need needle and thread. To be honest with you, I actually use this thread and it's almost gone. I've been using this for about a year. This thread from Walmart, I think this is like sewing thread. And now you can go get the real thread from your local beauty supply store, Sally's or something like that. Now if you're using thread on your scalp, this definitely would not be the thread that I would use if I'm sewing it down to my scalp. But if I'm just making a wig and putting it onto a cap, I use this and it works fine for me. These clips are amazing for like just holding the hair back, like while you're cutting your lace, or clipping the hair up while you're coloring the hair. What do you call these clips? I'll find the name of these, but these clips are amazing. I also have these clips, and you can get these for a couple of dollars. I keep clips everywhere. So this is the wig stand I've been using for years. Basically, I took a wig head and an old lamp. It's a mess. I took a toilet paper roll, stuck it in here, stuck it in there, and then I stick this on top. And that's how I created my own wig stand. We love this combo here, the Got To Be glue. I use the spiking glue, the water resistant spiking glue, and I also use the Blast freezing spray. I recently started using this on its own. It's a little bit messier because it drips down your face and gets everywhere, but I actually do like the hold a little bit better. And when you use these two together, your wig ain't going nowhere. And I actually did this today, and I feel like my forehead is taut, and she just pulled back like, I feel like Joan Rivers, honey. It's a less permanent sort of solution, and it still keeps your wig secure. Okay, so I didn't purchase these. My mother-in-law gave these to me. These are disposable stretch headbands, and I use this to lay down my lace. At first, I just used to use scarves, but scarves can be bulky and it doesn't get to the places that you need them to get to. But I actually do love these a little bit more because they have more stretch, and they get to the areas like behind your ears and stuff like that. It helps to melt it down just a little bit easier. Love this. I'm happy that she gave these to me. So when you're making your wigs, it's so important to have elastic bands. Now this is one for one of my blonde wigs, but all of my wigs have elastic bands. If you couple an elastic band with the wig grip, girl, your wig ain't going nowhere. These are absolutely necessary for a good, secure wig fitting. So if there's anything that I missed from my other wigologists or my girls that are out here that have been doing wigs for a hot minute, or if you need to correct me on something, okay, just go ahead and leave all that down below. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, sign up for JORD. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching and sitting with me on my living room floor, or my set floor, because this is a set, child. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.